This phone model is Samsung Galaxy A07. Now today I'll show you how to connect OTG, use mouse and pen drive and use mouse and keyboard in this phone. If you want to use pen drive and use mouse and pen drive in this phone, at first you unlock your phone and second time you need to an OTG and need to an pen drive. Basically I have not to turn on any OTG connection option in Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. You properly connect OTG and pen drive and third time you just put this OTG on your phone. Wait few seconds after installing it, but here I can see my phone OTG is working, and if your phone OTG is not working, you just replace OTG and solve your phone OTG not working problem. Scroll down, you can see an option called OTG files, USB storage and edited. You just click on this option and show your phone pen drive files, and if you want to use mouse and keyboard, you just put this mouse and keyboard port. When you put this mouse and keyboard port OTG, wait few seconds after installing it. When installing complete, you just turn it on your keyboard and mousepad. You just turn it on mousepad and keyboard. When turn on mousepad and keyboard, your phone mousepad is totally working properly and your keyboard is now totally properly working. So yes, finally, if you want to you like this video, please subscribe my channel.